You're not getting clients because your videos suck. You're not getting clients because you're not distributing your content out there in the world where people can actually find it. I got an email from a guy. I spoke at a CLE in Dallas a month ago. Guy emailed me and said that he really enjoyed the talk because I talked about creating content and things like that, because he had been creating some content. He was writing blog posts and doing things, and he wasn't getting any traction. He wasn't getting any clients. And I wrote him back and I told him, great job. But in reality, what I was thinking was, A, you're making the wrong content in some ways, but B, whatever content you make, you have to find a distribution vehicle so that people can actually see it. If you're watching this or listening to this, it's because you're on a podcast, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, my website, TikTok. All of these different places are vehicles to distribute your content and put them in front of people that can see them. So you need to do that. See ya.